Hey guys, we're back on the trail. It's only me today. Connie, she fractured her foot, not on a hike trail. It'll be me and two hiking buddies. You can see them back there. We're at a Grassland trail today. It's considered an easy trail. We're actually gonna head on this trail so we can go to the MASH site. If you guys ever heard of the MASH site, it's MASH, the TV show. I think it's from like the 70s or 80s. It's really cool. We've been out there before. This trail actually starts on Mulholland, but we're gonna start today on, I think it's called Craig Road. It makes it a little easier, and you're parked at the park, which is like $12. But it makes it a lot easier if you don't want to trek through a lot. It probably cuts down like about a mile. So let's check it out, see what happens. Let's enjoy. It is kind of chilly out here though.
You don't say. You don't say. Only wear your shorts to the hike. Alright.
Alright guys, here. This is a split point where we're gonna continue on the trail straight ahead. This right here is where, if you would have taken the original trail site from like the Mulholland Highway, it would have been, we'd have come through right here. But we cut it short, you know, making it easier for ourselves. Okay guys, once you get here, you really want to go straight, but we're going to turn onto the left. They both lead to the same spot, but the one here is going to take a little longer. So if you just want to make it shorter for yourself, you take the left. So we're going to do that today. See guys, this used to be a river a few years back. Well, no, it's probably been like at least 6 or 7 years ago. This used to be a river, but after the drought, it turned to this. Well, just be careful because you will see poop on the trails. And I think it's horse poop, so you might see a lot of horses here. And right here, just keep going straight, because at the end of this, we're gonna take a right. But pretty much this whole trail is just like this. We're gonna hit an incline in a bit, which is like the hardest part, and then it's all easy from there. If you look to the right, you see the little people out there. That's the other trail that when we split off, they're doing that trail. I mean, it's a little longer. We just took the easy way. It's nice and chilly out here though. It's in the mountains, so bring a jacket. Well guys, here's a visitor center, but we're gonna continue the trail. If you guys want to check that out sometime, you can come out here, or we're gonna go over the bridge to the right. And back in the day, this bridge was here because there's a lot of water. Now there's dirt, which is sad because I think at the end of this, there used to be a pond, lake where you can jump into. See guys, and here's little restrooms. It's a big area. This here and the trail up there are the ones that bring you that original trail that we split up from. This is a little trail that used to take you to the lake I was talking about. I think that thing's way dried up now, so it's just like a little random trail. The restrooms, but we're gonna keep on going straight. We're about to hit an incline. I think it's the hardest part of the trail, but besides that, it's easy sailing. So let's keep on going. Stick to your right, because you'll see the bikes coming down. According to the All Trails app, this is a 538-foot elevation gain, which I think we're about to hit part of that. But it's an easy trail all the way through. And this trail is heavily trafficked, so make sure you wear that mask. You know what we say. The nice thing about here, it's nice and clear, fresh air, kind of chilly, but could be a lot worse, so not complaining. Here is a trail that leads you to the dam. We've been down there before, but it looks like it dried up now. Oh, there's still some water. It's down there. You actually, back in the day, you were able to go next to the dam and down the river, but they closed it off. They don't want people down there. But we're gonna keep on going straight because we're heading towards the match site. Here's a lookout trail. If you wanna go look at everything, go up there. And this trail here to the left is actually the trail that comes from the dam. Just keep going straight, because this one's pretty straightforward. As long as you keep on the main trail, it'll lead you to the site. Right now we're coming up to a split road here, but they're both the same. One just goes higher. We're just gonna go on the lower one. According to all trails, it's a 6.2 mile hike, but if you park at the parking area, it's actually way less, probably like 5 miles all the way through, out and back. I recommend it if you just want to get out. If you're already bored of being inside because of all the lockdown, just be careful and coming out here and stay away from people. So far, we're about 3/4 into the trail. We're almost there, and it's pretty easy. Cannot complain. It's really nice out here. It's more of a stroll than anything. If you guys just want to chill out, this is it. There's another split. We're going to take a left.
I get my balance because of that cup.
See the sign. We're on the right path. It's really nice, everybody. At first you won't get shade, but now towards the back end there's a little shade, so it's really nice. But there's a lot of people on the trail, so be careful. They filmed out here because they said it looked like Vietnam, but they filmed it out here. I'm like, you know how much crap they'd had to bring out here? This is like a middle of nowhere. Right here, guys, keep on going straight. And there it is, guys. We're coming up to it.
Oh, that's hella cute.
No, they restored this recently.
This is restored by the military collection club.
See, look at the mechanic guy. He's looking under the hood. I was like, look at the mechanic guy looking under the hood. What's in here?
Look at that.
Oh, wow, look at that.
When literally anyone can be a mechanic.
Hey guys, we've made it to the end. The trail here is really easy and it's really nice. You gotta enjoy like the historical stuff out here. It's really cool. Recommend it coming out here. Even if you're by yourself, you can do it by yourself or with a group. But as we always say, we always recommend it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and in the comments leave if you want to see another trail, and we'll hit it up for you. See you guys next time.